Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to remove password from browser. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To remove password from browser, follow these steps. So the only way to do this is by using Google Incognito. So now, let's begin. So firstly, right click on the Google, then choose to click on New Incognito window. Then the official Google Chrome will open, but let's ignore that for now by clicking OK. Then, on Incognito window, click on the three dots, then go to the extensions, then click on Manage Extensions. Find the extension that you use to lock your browser, then hit on Remove. Now, once you open the Chrome, it will no longer require you to use a passcode to access the browser. And that's how to remove password from browser. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.